Every Gradelink website includes pre-built registration and application forms, and the ability to fully customize them to your requirements. If you have a multi-step admissions process or job onboarding process, these forms can help keep information organized and centralized. Please note that registration and online forms that are built into the website do not currently integrate with Gradelink's Enroll.Me product or the SIS. They are intended to function as a standalone system that offers the benefits of customizable online forms, complete with the ability to collect registration fees, sync information to Google Sheets, set up automated responses to applicants, email notifications to team members, and combine applications from different programs into a single form. For example, this school combined 3 separate job applications into a single job online application and made their onboarding process 50% more efficient. Another school combined the applications for 2 separate programs into a single application and had questions specific for each program only show up if the applicant was applying for that particular program. Form submissions were set up to send an email and simultaneously populate into a Google form for easy tracking and reference.